your fucking hands!
On January 18th, 2025, police respond to a damaged vehicle report when the situation suddenly turned into a wild chase no one saw coming.
Belonging to our victim, they're traveling westbound on Chester Avenue. They just stopped in the parking lot, I think at East 40th. Hey, it's slipping back this way. 3-3 is traveling eastbound on 55th, passing the 2 street. Looks to be a black male driving the vehicle. It's going to be a heavy rear damage. Bumpers hanging off the vehicle. Please, don't shoot. That's all I'm Please, don't.
Go get him now! Go ahead!
Please.
His car can't move no more!
Please, don't shoot. We're going to have this male right outside district.
Get off the car! Get off the car! Get off the car!
After a non-fatal crash, the damaged vehicle left the scene, prompting a police response as officers attempted to locate it.
While we're right behind him, we're going eastbound on Chester. Vehicles moving at a low speed.
It's all going on.
Please, y'all. No weapons. I promise you, I was in that car. My brother did not have no guns or nothing. That's the first thing I'm seeking. Please, like, y'all just stop him. And please don't kill him. Please.
We're going eastbound on Chester. 35 miles per hour.
Is there a vehicle in that car? Or a child in that car? Yes, we got out. The kids are out and safe.
Show me your fucking hands! Show me your fucking hands! Get out of the fucking car! Get out of the fucking car! Get out of the fucking car! Get out! Get out of the fucking car! Get on your stomach now! You're good, you're good, you're good, you're good! Shit wrong!
Male in custody.
Get out! Pull your hands away from me! Let go now!
He's got fucking jumped, bro.
3-4 to radio, we have this male. Stop, detained, east.
Tell him,
Yes, sir.
away from me.
He's on scene with us as well.
Oh, shit. Oh,
Sorry,
damn.
that man's not armed, and there shouldn't be any trouble in the car. The kids jumped out.
Take the kid on me.
Hold on.
Step him up in front of
No, don't touch anything. Don't touch anything.
there's nobody else in the vehicle.
You guys cannot leave.
My niece might.
You cannot leave right now.
Not here. I'll get in
Y'all cannot leave right now.
I will give you my name.
We could get a lift.
I will give you my name. It's cold as
leave.
fuck. Get in the car.
You can go into the station. You cannot leave right now.
I don't care. Go on the other side. We are about to go.
You cannot leave.
We go in here. We got hit. We not the victim.
You cannot leave. This is a felony. Hey, they're trying to leave.
They are chasing PJ still.
No, they're not. They got him detained.
Put the kids in the car. We're going down the street.
Just catch her up to speed.
Y'all is going home. Get in the car. Put her in the car. Get on the other side.
Listen, y'all cannot
Put her
leave
get
yet.
in the car
You guys
now.
can come inside.
Either way it go, I'm about to get in trouble. Ain't no kids get involved with my sister or nothing. Y'all do our walking home.
You got your ID?
Oh, ma'am, I don't. I really don't.
Okay, well, you got a social? You got a social?
I'm trying to take my sister home.
Adam 33 to Sergeant Davis. Can you come outside, please? You're not leaving.
I put in here.
This is a felony. We watched it happen, and you're not leaving. This is a felony.
What did I do wrong?
No, we're not blaming you guys.
What did I do wrong?
They was chasing us with kids in the car. I know that. That's why we are trying to get this together.
I will give y'all information.
Get out the car.
Okay.
Kids are naked. Here. You got an ID on you?
Yes. I didn't do anything.
Okay,
Listen, you guys are not in any trouble, okay?
Can you follow me down the street and we make this report?
You have money scared as fuck.
Listen, we could go inside.
Here. Walk away and call on this.
You got your ID on you?
Yeah.
Come on, grab the phone.
He just chased us down. He's arrested. We are trying to get info for the report. Listen, we are not mad at you guys. We're just trying to get info.
You guys are okay?
We're fine. They're trying to leave the scene now. I heard the crash. I came around this corner, and then I seen a white car come flying back up the wrong way, slam into his car. They hop out, start screaming, there's a kid in the car, he's taking my child. The car reversed, went down the street, and that's when we started going over this. But now they're not cooperating.
He was charged with fleeing and eluding police, reckless driving, and endangering public safety. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.